Good morning, viewers. I'm Jainal Abidin, back together at the Premier News to spread the news that the latest sharp and reliable. The which we summarize in the Premier News this morning. Pandeglang, Banten province that is located not far from the capital should have adequate educational facilities. However, it doesn't apply to elementary school student 1 Bloom Sari. Village Jendi, District Panimbang, Pandeglang, Likirupit, and insulated bamboo. Pupils in this school also must be willing to share rooms and, and a bench to the other students. The school now has only 3 classrooms that are used for the students of class 1 to 6. In fact, we must be willing to split the bulkhead space with 4th graders teacher. Because of limited speech, said Mustafa. Principal Sari Blooms SDM Karsari 1, Tuesday 9 September 2014. The school building was built in 1968 at the request of the community to get their children to not travel as far as 4 kilometers if you want to get an education. In addition to this stand, the streets were difficult to pass when it was raining. If the rainy season is entrance to the village cannot pass a vehicle, he continued. If seen the condition of the building, the rooms are difficult to be known as a place of learning. The school has 120 students. This wall has cracks everywhere. Even office partition cubicle was made of bamboo. The roof of the building is no longer intact and pillars of wood had been eaten by termites fragile, while the tiled floor was no longer. The condition will get worse during the rain season, because a lot of water coming in, either from the roof or on the floor, causing the room becomes muddy and slippery. The school was forced to make a room divided so that one can be used for 2 classes. Teaching and learning moment. This condition makes the student cannot study in peace. They have to squeeze to sit on the bench because of narrow places. Insufficient number of benches forcing the student must be willing to sit alternately. In fact, they complain because it is difficult to concentrate due to receive a lesson in one room. It should share the sound with other classes as they are spared only bamboo screen. While teachers cannot give lessons to concentrate fully, quite often when the rainy season arrives, the learning process moved into the house residence. Meanwhile, according to Ashrafi, one of the senior teachers and homeroom 4 explains, when the school has 5 classrooms, but many were destroyed by an earthquake in 1999 Ujung Kulon. Since the earthquake, it was able to spot the construction of 3 classrooms, but until now has never existed again, though his condition was not feasible, said Ashrafi. The school also has repeatedly submitted proposal repair assistance, but it is up to now nothing is said. Every year, we are asked to submit a proposal similar assistance to the condition of the building official photo, but only Alhamdulillah appointment only. Talk Mr. Head of the Regional Technical Implementation Unit has also been here a few times, he said. As a teacher, he just hopes that his students be given adequate facilities and infrastructure, not by lacking classrooms and severely damaged. The government wants the quality of education in Banten up. But how could be better if the school in which they learn the condition like this, said Ashrafi. That news before closing the Premier News this morning. To see more news, you can visit in www.uniskatv.com. I'm Jainal Abidin, gratitude and good day.